You got anybody there, Kev?
People in that hallway.
What?
I said we need people in that hallway because I had no support. Hey, watch left.
It's 3, 4, respawn.
Yeah, 4 lives, 3 respawns.
Watch hallway right here.
I'm out.
You got hit?
2, no, I'm out of ammo. There's 2 of them over there. All right, I'm good.
You good?
Switch. He just left that corner.
Huh?
He just left that corner. Yeah.
Okay.
You might be able to get to the cover. Our side of the cover, all cover. Dead man.
Hey, you can look right. Hey, they're all in this here.
They're where?
Hey, there's shit.
Give me my Thunder Bee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I'll drop him in. All right, you guys cover me. I'm gonna go Thunder Bee. New room, yeah.
Watch out.
Where? Tim, can you get it?
Hey, buddy! 3 in the center of the chest! My leg?
Your leg.
You know what? I'll call it, but you're already dead, dude.
Let me know when I'm good.
No, yeah. Every time happens.
How are we doing here?
They're all right there.
You got it. Record it.
Cover me for a sec, Dave.
Yeah.
Gotta put the pin back, just anywhere. I gotta put the pin back in this Thunder Bee. Okay.
Good time.
Dead man. Dead. What? Dead man. I'm dead man. Adam, I shot you. I didn't call it.
Alright, I didn't even know there was a guy.
No, I didn't know he was coming either. I just almost grenaded my dick. I didn't though.
Yeah.
Do you not see my gun up?
Where are you looking at him? One just moved right from the cover in the center hallway. Adam, see if you can get up. Where? Oh.
Broken?
Dead man! Dead man!
Hey. Are they moving up? They're not moving up the left side, are they?
We've got them down in the middle of the hallway, but they're not moving up. Get my main back. Guys, we gotta try to get to the middle of this hallway and get across. Playing at the ends here isn't getting us anywhere. Caboose. Let's see if we can get.
You shot me from under 5 feet. That's an automatic death. I was turning the corner either way. I won't have seen you. You won't argue semantics. I'm an IT. We argue nothing but technical shit. You shot me from under 5 feet. Technically speaking, I was turning the corner from under 5 feet. I was turning the corner.
Both of you take a death.
You're dead as well.
Bang. Now you're dead. Okay? You know what I mean?
He just called me a piece of shit.
He did. We'll talk to him about that. I'm on his team. We'll talk to him about that. Dead man. Dead man. Hey, just take it easy, man.
Dude,
That kid's a fucking mook. He has no idea.
he shot me from under 5 feet.
He has no idea what the fuck he's doing, and he's an asshole. So you know what I mean? You're not gonna get anywhere arguing with him. Hey, Levi, you might talk to the kid in the gray hoodie and black mask. He got cowboy pretty close.
I talked to you about that one.
Okay.
Wait,
Joe, literally just now.
Oh, just a
and
okay, yeah, he's done it twice now.
they're getting into it a little bit.
Did they leave?
No. I told them they were both dead, so they both took a death. But
Okay, yeah, I'll talk to him. Yeah,
People are just really bad about the rules.
yeah, true. Let's see if we can get to the center and get across the middle door.
Semantics with me. That would have so much
I'll talk to him. That's second time.
I got one in the window. One in the.
I got 3 coming down the hallway.
They're coming into the room. Get your gun out there. See if you can pin that guy down in the right side. Good? Alright. You're clear. You're clear, go. Oh, wait, one in the window. One in the window. One in the door. Hey. Oh, nice. Dead man.
Yeah, they were in there. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to our other spawn. I'm gonna go to the other spawn for my last life. Dead man. Dead man.
Dead man.
I'm gonna take my last death at this respawn. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man coming out. Dead man. Dead man.
They only have to not be in it for us to respawn.
It's true. You guys might want to move.
Oh, you guys are cleared him, damn it.
I didn't hear you, dude. Sorry.
It's fine.
Sorry, I wouldn't have shot you.
Dead.
Bands, no bands.
Yeah. Dead. Just watch it, Dave. Dead. Where you at, Sean? Dead. Dead man. Draft in the hall, draft. Draft in the long center hall. Sean, where you at? Draft. Coming through, draft. Sean, where you at?
I saw some move into surgery.
Sean, where you at?
Nice. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Thanks for not shooting me. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man.
Come down the hall, come down the hall.
Yeah. Yeah, it's maybe a little too unstructured for that many people.